Hey, what's up Bitcoin holder, what's going on? Today video is very important for all Bitcoin holder, but make sure my friend this was not a financial video. I just advise you kindly research personally before you take any decision, because we have no responsible for any kind of loss. Thank you so much. Bitcoin price is totally pumps up. BTC is gonna be viral now. Finally it's going up, and make sure my friend today will easily hit now 50,000 US dollar. That's what a target. It's so crazy pump, my friend, and I never expect this, my friends, to in those days they will moving upward, but 100% that's clear to this month, my friends. They will easily hit now, my friends, $50,000. So if they will hit now this huge pump, my friend, remember to they will make you a millionaire, and there was a big opportunity, big chance, my brother. So don't miss this chance. All right, come to the point. Bitcoin price was be increasing because, my brother, after a very long dump, my friend, you can see here they were starting moving upward, and it's crazy movement, my friend. You can see here the candle. Look at this candle, my friend. It's crazy, my friend. It's totally crazy. But after a temporary dump, remember to every coin will not moving, and this resistance, my friend, you can see this time here is the resistance line, so they cannot moving goes down. But when they will hit the resistance line, remember to they will completely go to the moon, and they will make you a millionaire. So please Bitcoin holders, don't do these mistakes. Some holders, when they will see a temporary dump, they are starting selling, and I think they were doing very big mistakes. So don't do this mistake. All right, come to the point. BTC price will be increasing because when holders are starting pumping, when holders starting investing, then the market cap is increasing. So therefore, when market cap is increasing, remember what this is true, the price will also increasing now. So therefore, my advice, my opinion is for all my viewers, my subscribers, to kindly hold down and don't starting selling. And please, what's your opinion, what's your advice, please share it in a comment box. And remember, my brothers, this channel will guide you, update you every day, every time. So subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz and take care. See you next time.